Welcome to the Maker Lab Image to 3D Model Intermediate Tutorial video here on Bambu Lab Academy. In this video, we'll turn a color image into a fully colored 3D model. Open the Maker World website, find and select Maker Lab on the left. In Maker Lab, scroll down to find the Image to 3D Model tool and open it. After opening the tool, upload the image of the fried egg provided in the course by dragging it into the specified area. Choose the Hunyuan 3D model, which is better for colored models. Then click Generate and wait a few moments for the model to generate. Click Reduced Color Mode to display the model with basic colors, since this mode separates the colors so they can be mapped to filaments. On the left, make sure the color mapping is set to Automatic. The system will generate multiple colors based on the full color image. Click a color from the list to highlight it. Remove unwanted colors, like shadows, by selecting them and choosing another color to merge them into. Repeat this to gradually reduce the number of colors. You can optimize it down to a 2-color model if desired, or choose 4 colors mode so the tool automatically chooses the 4 best colors to map to. Click the spool icon to open the filament color mapping panel. The system will automatically map the colors to Bambu Lab PLA basic filaments. Take a look at the mapped filaments to make sure they look correct. Click Export in the top right. Choose your printer model and nozzle size. Select 3MF format. Export and download the model, then open it in Bambu Studio. Use the painting tool to touch up colors if necessary and adjust print parameters as desired. Slice the model, then send it to print. This colorful fried egg looks sizzling hot and ready for tons of excellent activities.